Welcome back to another video, everyone. This is a new angle. I'm just trying this new angle because I don't have a tripod right now. So market just opened literally 3 minutes ago. I just jumped on a little bit late, so I haven't uploaded in a while. Forgive me. But we're back at it, okay, today. We're back at it. Oh yeah, the voice is working, everything's working. All right, let's see. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, guys. I trade, I review products sometimes, and I do whatever I want, okay? It's pretty late here right now. It's 11:35 p.m. right now, so let's get to it, right? I'll just take this away. Let me just take this away quickly. I'm not turning it off, man. All right. You guys can see everything. Sweet. All right. So for the day, I am very bullish. Okay. For the day, I am very bullish. So, maybe we'll see. We'll see. So we have this daily fair value gap here. Let's see but we're still very bullish in my opinion. Let's see. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, so we haven't broken this high yet, so which is very interesting. We're respecting this order block right now, as you guys can see, right? Let me just pull up the EMAs real quick. Let's just see what they look like. Yeah, so like there's a daily fair value gap too. That's pretty insane, right? And we're there too. So we could. There's two ways this could go, right? Obviously, I'm not gonna wait for 4 hours, right? So either we're gonna display up to this high, which is almost at 30,000, right? Which is also a 4-hour fair value gap, as you guys can see at the top, right? So let's just mark that off real quick. Okay. Feels like I haven't recorded ever in my life. Jesus. Okay. So we've got a 4-hour fair value gap there. We have a 1-hour fair value gap that has not been filled yet because of this order block, right? We have this order block. So we just need to see what happens. Are we gonna take this high out or are we gonna not take this high out, right? We just need to see what happens right now. So and then we have a low here, right, which is an intermediate low. I'll tell you guys about that later. Oh my god, I'll tell you guys about that later, right? This is a very good low, right? Probably one of my favorite lows. So right, this stands for major liquidity. Major L. Let's see if you're taking L today or not, right? We're gonna be patient, right? All right. Let me save that. How's ES looking real quick? Turn this shit off. All right, let's see. So ES is doing the exact same thing. Yeah, we haven't even hit that daily fair value gap on both of them actually. So yeah, we're just but we're not even that bullish overall. Like we're slightly bullish, not that bullish right now, right? Like 0.7%, 0.6%. That's not a lot, right? But let's see what happens. Let's see even if I get a trade today or not. Let's see. I'm not going to be trading for Friday. Yeah, this week, I think. I'm going to actually start like not trading Fridays because I don't know. Hey. Fridays, I feel like I don't need to anyway, but I feel like a lot of people blow their accounts on Fridays, right? So Yeah, so as you guys can see, manipulation, boom, up. You know, manipulation, boom, up, okay? Manipulation, boom, up, right? So let's see what we can get here in a little bit, right? Obviously, the 5 minute, like this, some people will consider this as a break of structure. If we truly are going to break structure, we should start seeing downward movement, right? But I think this will be a more ideal break of structure for me, right? Plus, we'll be inversing every single gap in this leg, right? So let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Currently, we are bullish in my eyes for the lower time frames. For the higher time frames, again, bullish pullback. It's just, you know, you don't marry your bias, guys. You see what the market is doing, right? So, like on this 1 hour chart right now, this is almost 10 hours right here. So you can't have a, you know, a big, obviously we have this 4 hour bearish and daily bearish bias, like candle, right? But then on the 1 hour, right? Then on the 1 hour, you have these 10-hour candles that are going up. So what are you going to do? Like wait 24 hours to take a trade? Do you know? So just just never marry your bias, guys. Just see what happens. You know, right now I ain't liking anything. There's nothing clear for me right now. Like, see, we're displacing down. Yeah, there's nothing for me right now. So this is not a good, like, what kind of price? Yeah, we're going up, but like, what kind of price action is that, bro? It's not that bad, but still, damn, hella manipulation, right? So let's just wait, guys. It's only 10 minutes into market open, right? So normally I don't want to trade for the first hour of market open, right? So let's just what, I need to like probably put the magnet thing on. Oh my god. This mouse is so sensitive. I might have to wait. Let me click this. Oh, that's slow. That's better. That's slow. Not bad movement to the upside, right? But still, like, damn. There's nothing for me to like really take here. And here we also have a unfilled. God damn, this is... Honestly, if this comes and sweeps this low, like, whew, do you know if it comes like sweep this low, like after this, rejecting this, right? Like, we can't even really tell, guys. Like, you know, if we're just measuring this daily range with our fib, right? We're almost about to be at that 50%. So, yeah, the only thing to do right now is to wait and is to see if we get any sort of reversal, right? Because, or even a continuation. Like, if we get a continuation set up, I'm happy with that too, right? So, but not right now. I am not interested. So we just took out that high. There you go. Boom. Did ES take that high out? Let's see. ES. Ooh. ES has not taken this high out, actually. Put the camera back. Yeah, maybe. They're saying restricted view. Bro, what? Anyway. Okay, ES. We're probably gonna take this high out on ES as well. I don't really follow ES. I know they're, you know. I know, guys. I know. But just for reference, I'll just quickly mark. I'll mark the 50% of this too, just so I can kind of see, right? That. Okay. Oh, we had an SMT. We had a daily SMT. That's crazy. But, you know, at the moment, we're still very bullish. The momentum is very bullish, guys. So don't even don't think about selling right now. Okay. I mean, let's just see what happens though, right? So I gotta make this neat, bro. All right. Here we go. So we're about to hit that 50%. We're about to hit that 50%, right? All right. Let's see. We broke structure, like, you know, pretty crazy structure. Like right here on the 4 hour. So, oh, what is this, bro? Jesus Christ. So this is a pretty significant breaker structure, right? So, and we're right at that. So if we're gonna reverse, we should reverse, right? Yeah. If anything, let's just see what happens though. I'm not interested in anything right now. I need more confirmation that something we're gonna head up here or something, right? Let's just chill. My eye, bro. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. I don't know. Are we setting up right now? I don't know. Looks very overextended to me, honestly, but oh, it's something horrible. I have a habit of saving. I don't know why. I always do it. So, if you guys don't know, I'm launching a journal. As you guys can see, it's gonna be insane, guys. Right? It's gonna have everything in it. I'll show you guys after. I'm just longing it on my trade right now, making sure I follow my steps, right? Because I'm not going to lie, guys. I was actually tilting, like, I was tilting, right? Wait, I hope you guys can hear me. Actually, let me turn this a little bit. You know, I was tilting, right? I tilted pretty much last week and blew like 700,000 worth of funded. So, you know, and no, that's not the reason why I haven't been uploading. I have a lot going on, you know. I have a job and everything still, you know, that I don't want to quit yet because I'm trying to level up in that. I actually want to level up in that. You guys will know one day what I do for work. It's going to be pretty. I don't know if I should really reveal it, but maybe later on. Okay, so everything is good. Yep. Okay, so we're just going to just follow the steps. This is cool as. I don't know who did that, eh? That's pretty cool. I wish I need like a tripod to like put it up here because like imagine this. Yeah, a little bit better, right? A little bit better. That's alright. But for now, I gotta deal with this little tiny little thing. Okay, so just bear with me. And this is why we wait. So, oh my days, what is going on? Straight back inside the orb. V-shaped recovery, beautiful. Let's see what we're doing right now. We're gonna go sweep this major liquidity maybe, right? So let's just see. We're gonna be patient here, guys, right? Patience is key. Patience is key. Damn, look at this. As soon as we go to the 50% of the daily, as soon as we go to the 50% of the daily, we sweep that straight away. So that is very, very good. And now we also swept previous day's highs, so we're looking pretty solid to go to the downside now, I'm not gonna lie. So if you get a good, nice little setup, to the downside, it looks very, very nice. And look at that. Oh my days. This is actually beautiful. This is actually beautiful. This is actually beautiful. Right. It's just, I need this to break this low, sort of. If we're gonna keep coming lower, right? Need some food, bro. Oh, it's hot. I don't even know what to do anymore, to be honest. It looks crazy now. Let's just see what happens, chat. Looks very good to me. Don't come here and say, why are you drinking out of a plastic bottle? I have this, okay? But it's not cold. So, I don't want to drink that. Anybody have to let me know me, though. What are we looking at? ES right now. I don't know. Yeah, it looks alright, I guess. God. Surely not without us, right? Surely not without us. What the hell just happened? It's not for you, baby. Whoa. What the hell? This is insane. Okay. 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 Let's get rid of everything right now. Obviously, we swept that. That's pretty good. Wow. Okay. All right. Let's just see what happens. This is insanity, bro. God damn, bro. Oh my God. It does look like I'm sweeping right now. Yo. I don't even know right now, eh? There's equal lows everywhere on ES. Holy. God damn. Let me just mark them real quick, guys. He just left equal lows there too. God damn. Might have to trade ES, honestly. ES looks pretty clean. If this, oh man, I honestly, we're moving pretty even. This is okay. Oh jeez. This is probably not a good setup, honestly. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys watch the market for a bit, okay? While I go take a piss. I'll be back. I gotta get used to the camera being down there, not down there, okay? Peace. I'll be back in a second. Okay. Stop touching his shit, Dara. Can't give you any more because you can't have this stuff. I don't know. Something doesn't seem very good about this one. I ain't gonna lie. Because I need to get a haircut. It looks so much better when I get a haircut. We are about to hit 10:30 a.m. New York time, guys. Let's just see what happens right now. Well, yeah, we're pretty short right now, so. Do we have a trade setting up? Here goes. Let's see. I ain't gonna lie. We're just gonna go 5. Oh, not 56. Jesus, man. Bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Why you gotta give me a trash ass candle, bro? Oh my god, bro. Hey Zara. Hey Zara. You watching me trade? You watching me trade? Can you guys see Zara? You guys can't see Zara, hey? She's watching me trade. Zara, she's my little sidekick, alright? There's that 10:30 a.m. candle. The SMT. We're an SMT right now, potential reversal coming. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't really give me a good risk to reward though. Now it does. Yeah. We got a little inverse, we'll see. This shit makes me laugh, bro. This is why you always wait, guys, right? Because there is someone who has entered, because they saw all this. So this is very shit price action. Alright, let's see. Nothing right now. What? Oh man. Oh, 5 minutes. Okay. Oh shit, okay. Okay. ES is not inversing this gap though, that's the thing, right? So we are in. Oh, come on, man. I need a better risk to reward, at least. And yes, of course, immediately reverses on me. ES didn't inverse this, so let's just see what happens. I'm just gonna. Yeah, that looks good. All right. Let's just see what happens now. I should, like, goes. If you sweep this high, right, I will still enter a short again, okay? If you end up going sweeping this high, right? If I was to go put it up there, let's say, right? I don't want to put it up there. Let me just do the risk to reward. And then this. And then let's say I put it down here. That's not a good risk to reward for me, right? So I need a... Yeah, we're talking about sweeping this, so... Yeah, that's not a like ideal risk to reward for me, right? So could have entered here. I'll probably move my stop in a second. If we go above this, oh, this doesn't look good. Straight reversed. That's because ES. See this? ES never. On ES, we never actually took this. We never actually took this high. Sorry, low. So on NASDAQ, we did take this low, but let's just see. Let's just see what happens. I am going to put it up there for safety just for now. Risk to reward is pretty bad right now, okay? But this is, trust me, guys. You know, I don't want to... You know, like, we can do a... I just normally target a 1-to-1, right? Yeah, that's good. So let's just see how we go, guys. I don't really want it to go above this, that's the only thing, right? So I'll adjust it as we go, honestly, because this is right now, like this, it'll be there, right? But I need to know, like, I need to have a little bit more confirmation that we're still going to go down. We are making a really good, you know, we're making a we're making a bear, what's called a bullish flag right now. Where's the yeah? So if you put it above the inverse, you would have got stopped out. That's like too short. You know, you guys have to understand. Like, if I want to sit here and do this every day, you guys have to understand that every day the trade is going to be different. Okay, that's what you have to. You have to know how the market works. I'm not going to sit here and take, you know, like a huge trade all the way to these lows. That takes forever. I just want my chunk and I just want to get out, right? Either I hit stop loss, or either we hit take profit. But I'll do 2 entries today. We're going to take 2 trades today. Okay. We're going to take 2 trades today and see what the market wants to give us right now. The only thing I'm fearing is that we want to come up to this high, sweep this, come up into this 15-minute, right? You know, the equilibrium as well of the range, and then go down, which is also going to be a pretty good setup if it does happen, guys. Okay, but right now we're just in a little bit of going now. What's that? I don't care. Yeah. So yes, I can let the runners run, but today I don't want to let any runners run or have a big trading day today, because the price action is like, what is this? Like, you know, like maybe to the upside now we might get, like, you know, something, but then today is not a good day to trade for me at all. It's good actually, but it's not that good, you know what I mean? It's good, but it's not that good, so it can be a lot better. It can be a lot better, chat. So let's just see what happens here. You know, like my break-even point, I can do probably take 3 off here. So if it, you know, if we hit that, I'll pull 3 here. I'll put 3 here and let the rest run, right? Or 99% of the time, I don't really even do these break evens and stuff, right? Unless I have a big entry, unless I have a nice risk to reward, right? If I have a nice risk to reward, like if I had something like, you know, nice something at the moment, like, see, there's a, you know, at the moment we are very, very, like very, very manipulative right now. That's the correct word, right? Because, like, you guys have to understand, manipulation straight down. Look at this 1 hour candle, not 3 1 hour candles, straight down through this fair value gap 4 hour candle, right? And here we go. So this is what I was talking about right now. There we go, perfect. Right, that's what I was talking about. So I want this to just go flush through the whole thing. Yeah, I like that one. Very nice, very nice. Okay, I could probably move my stop after this candle. If this candle closes like this very strongly, I have a very strong, you know, pretty strong, what am I trying to say, man? Are we gonna be done in one trade over here? Like, All right, just to show you guys the summary, this is my PA account, and bang. Oh shit, you guys can't even see. Hold on 1 second. I'll move the screen over. There we go. P&L for the day, $1,167. Wow, what a trade, right? Time to journal this, right? It's good entry, good execution, and very, very good patience I had today. I'm very proud of it. Nothing, obviously, you know, simple setup, nothing crazy. You know, we're respecting, oh, why did I do that? We're respecting everything bearish right now, right? After this sweep. So, like, you know, like this is a beautiful, beautiful setup. We can still sweep this and close above and then start heading to the upside, right? But for now, the setup is done. All right, sweet. All right, I'll show you guys my journal next time, but the setup is done for now. And I am done for the day. I'm going to go journal this right now. I'm going to go... oh my God. It's pretty late. I'm going to go have a shower and head to bed, guys. So, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to try to do a video every day if I can. Even if I don't do a video like this, like live trading, I'll still do trade recaps every day if I can, where I lose or win, right? But thank you. Thank you for watching.